In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage devices logged into your Trello account. Whether you're a new Trello user or a seasoned pro, keeping your account secure is always a priority. Managing the devices that are logged into your Trello account is an essential step to protect your data and ensure your account stays secure. Maybe you've logged in on a shared computer or noticed an unfamiliar device on your account. Whatever the case, this tutorial will walk you through the process, step by step, so you can confidently manage your device sessions and take control of your account security. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. Once it's open, type Trello.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to Trello's homepage if you're not already signed in. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the button that says Login. Next, you'll need to enter your login credentials. You can type in your email address and click Next, or if you prefer, you can choose a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft. If you're using your email to log in, you'll be directed to another screen where you'll need to type in your password. Once that's done, click the Login button to access your account. After your Trello dashboard loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu from the options available. Select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Once you're in the settings view, scroll down until you find a section labeled Sessions. This is where you'll manage the devices logged into your account. In the Sessions panel, look for the link that says Manage Your Recent Devices and click on it. This will open a detailed list of all the devices that have accessed your Trello account. Here, you'll see a list of devices along with important details about each session. For example, you'll be able to see the type of device, such as a laptop, tablet, or phone. You'll also see the location where the session occurred, the IP address associated with that session, and the last time that device was active on your account. Take a moment to carefully review this information. When you're reviewing the list, make sure you identify your current session. This is typically marked clearly to help you avoid accidentally logging yourself out of your active device. Once you've identified your current session, look at the other devices in the list. If you see any devices you no longer use or don't recognize, click the Log Out button next to those devices. If Trello prompts you to confirm your action, simply follow the instructions to finalize logging out. This will immediately end the session for that device, ensuring it can no longer access your account. If you notice any unusual activity or devices you don't recognize, it's a good idea to take additional security measures. Consider updating your password to something strong and unique. This is an extra layer of protection in case your account has been compromised. Lastly, remember to make a habit of signing out of your Trello account whenever you use a shared or public computer. And as an extra precaution, avoid saving your passwords on public or shared devices to keep your account safe. And that's it. Managing the devices on your Trello account is a simple but effective way to stay in control of your account security. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.